In the vast, endless ocean of space, there lies a mysterious, glowing hat. A cosmic relic so unusual, so beautiful, that even the greatest minds of our time still struggle to unlock its secrets. Welcome, travelers of the stars, to the Sombrero Galaxy, a galactic giant hiding secrets so deep, it might just change how we see the universe forever. Tonight, we dive headfirst into one of the strangest, most thrilling corners of the cosmos. A galaxy with a monstrous heart, cloaked in ancient dust and shimmering light. This is no ordinary galaxy. This is M104, the Sombrero Galaxy. Long before telescopes revealed its shape, ancient skywatchers gazed upon this patch of light, unaware of the titanic forces raging within it. But in 1781, Charles Messier recorded it. And in 1912, astronomer Vesto Slipher noticed something odd. It was racing away from us at unimaginable speeds. But what was it? A star cluster? A distant nebula? Or something far stranger? When astronomers finally captured its true form, a brilliant, shining disk of stars, pierced by a thick belt of cosmic dust, it earned its nickname, the Sombrero Galaxy. But this hat-shaped marvel was just the beginning of a story that would defy science itself. Stretching across 50,000 light-years, this spiral galaxy gleams like a beacon in the cosmic dark. Its central bulge, enormous, almost unnaturally bright, suggests the presence of something terrifying. At its heart lurks a supermassive black hole, one of the largest ever found in a nearby galaxy. Estimated at over 1 billion solar masses, this monster warps space and time, devouring entire star systems in its grip. Surrounding this cosmic predator, a glowing disk of stars, gases, and ancient dust. The Sombrero's iconic dark lane, a ring of dust and gas 60,000 light-years wide, weaves through it like the brim of a hat, hiding ancient secrets of its past. But what formed this unusual shape? Why does it look so different from other spirals? At the core of the Sombrero Galaxy lurks something beyond comprehension. A supermassive black hole, so large, its gravity bends light itself. But here's the catch, for a galaxy its size, it shouldn't exist. Astronomers estimate the black hole's mass exceeds 1 billion suns. That's 10 times bigger than the one in our Milky Way. How could a galaxy half the size of the Milky Way hold a monster like this? Some believe it formed early in the universe, when galaxies were young and violent. Others whisper darker theories, of cosmic collisions, ancient mergers with other galaxies, and remnants of a bygone era where titanic black holes roamed free. If we could peer inside, we'd see stars being shredded, light bent and twisted into infinite loops, matter being devoured at nearly the speed of light. It's a cosmic executioner, feeding in silence. But it's not just the black hole. The Sombrero's iconic dust lane hides secrets too, ancient stars, strange emissions of X-rays, and clues of its hidden past. Infrared telescopes have peered through the dust, revealing older star populations, possibly remnants of long-vanished galaxies. Some theories suggest this isn't just a spiral galaxy, it might be a hybrid. Part spiral, part elliptical, a relic of ancient cosmic mergers. Could the Sombrero Galaxy be a survivor of a violent galactic collision billions of years ago? Its strange shape, its outsized black hole, and its thick dust ring all hint at a past drenched in cosmic warfare. Even today, the galaxy shows signs of activity. X-ray jets, odd star clusters, and disturbances in its structure suggest it's not as peaceful as it seems. Despite the darkness at its heart, the Sombrero Galaxy also glows with light. It shines with the radiance of 800 billion suns, one of the brightest galaxies in our cosmic neighborhood. By studying it, scientists hope to learn how galaxies formed in the early universe. How titanic black holes shaped the cosmos, how dust and gas coalesced into stars, and how ancient, violent galactic clashes shaped the heavens. The Sombrero Galaxy is like a time capsule, a frozen relic from an era when the universe was young and savage. So, the next time you gaze at the stars, remember this: among those points of light, there's a glowing, hat-shaped galaxy, spinning in the dark, haunted by 1 billion suns worth of gravity, a relic of ancient battles, and a symbol of cosmic wonder. The Sombrero Galaxy is a reminder that the universe is far bigger, far stranger, and far more thrilling than we can ever imagine. Thank you for joining this adventure through space and time. Until next time, keep your eyes to the stars.